Hello there, my tools. Welcome back to my channel. It's yours truly, Miss Bliss. If you're new, tuning in, warm welcome, welcome, welcome. So I'm just getting straight into this video. This is an old perm rod set on my medium to fine natural hair strands, tapered haircut. You guys, I probably could have gotten another day out of this particular hairstyle, but as you can see, the roots are very puffy, which I kind of like sometimes if I had a full head of hair, but it kind of looks weird because it's just the top of my head that has hair for me to style. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to redo the perm rod set on my hair. This time I'm going to incorporate a little bit of gel. I am going to use the lot of body hair mousse, and I have my handy dandy bottled water, and those are my actual perm rod rollers. So I decided to use gel this time, and just a little bit, just to kind of hold the curls for a little bit longer, because the original perm rod set only lasted me about 2 days. And I'm just so accustomed to back in the day when I had a head full of hair. Way back in the day, I usually can wear a perm rod set for a good strong week. So trying to just make it last a little bit longer, we'll see. So as you guys can see, I did separate the front from the back, and then I did a quick little comb out. I did spritz a little water on my hair. I'm going in with a lot of body mousse and then a little gel, and then I am wrapping the roller around, and I'm going to continue to do that throughout my hair. Now typically I don't use a comb, but trying to be cute for camera for y'all today. But listen, I usually only just do this with my hand. One of the things I cannot stand about these perm rods is that it seems like they just give up after so long. It's like they're no more good, and it gets on my nerves. But anyway, this is my head completed of the perm rods. I did have to go back in the front and kind of fix those a little bit. My whole plan when I do these perm rod sets on tapered hair, I want the hair to lay down toward one side of my head, so that's why my rollers are kind of going towards my right side, your left, something like that. So this is the next day now. Yes, guys, I got on the same jacket. I'm cold. This is the next morning, so I'm just going to go in and I'm going to unravel the rollers. I typically don't sit under a dryer, A, because I don't have a hooded dryer anymore, and B, with it just being on top of my head, they don't hurt so bad to sleep on at night because they're just at the top. So this is normal air dry overnight. As you guys can see, so far so good. It looks really good. I will recommend, especially if you have fine strands, to take your time about unraveling the rollers. Don't just pull them out. As you guys can see here, I didn't use any paper. I just rolled my hair onto the roller, and I did not have any hair shedding here, so that's really good. I like that a whole lot. The curls look so beautiful. I really just like what the curls look like. They're fully intact. So far so good. Don't pull the rollers. I just have to stress that. I should not have done that in the back. Don't do as I do, okay? Do as I say. I'm telling you guys the right thing. Take your time about unraveling. Do not be in a rush. You do not want to tear your hair from the root, and you don't want to tear the length you work so hard to get. So this is my hair. So what I'm going in doing now is just separating some of the curls. I'm not going to do all of them because I do have medium, fine to medium, however you want to say it, strands. So some of them I'm going to unravel. Now I did not apply any oil or anything like that to my hand, but I recommend that you do that if you don't want any frizz, because again, I do have medium to fine strands or fine to medium strands. A little bit of puffiness works for me. I just don't want a whole lot of it. A little bit of puffiness is going to give me more of that fuller look that I am kind of going for. So no oil on these hands today. Okay, so again, so far so good. I don't want to disturb too many of the curls. So what I'm going to do is go in with my pick, and I'm going to very ever so lightly lift the root just a little bit to kind of help cover those parts that I have there, and to give my hair just a little bit of height. Then I'm going to go in with a bobby pin because I'm still trying to get my hair to fall to one side. So I'm going with a bobby pin in a diagonal slant way and applying it to my hair to kind of give me that look as though my hair is falling over to one side. I am using my hand mirror just so I can kind of see the back, because you may have to kind of play with it just a little bit until you get it to your liking. I'm going to go in with one more bobby pin, and again I'm just applying it diagonally so that I can kind of get that look I'm aiming for. And I'm going to play with the curls just very lightly. Now I'm going in with the Nature Blessings pomade, and I'm going to apply that to the actual tapered area because we don't want that to get too dry, and I want it to lay down pretty cute. So I'm just going in all over the tapered areas. Next I'm going to go in with my favorite brush, which you guys are going to see shortly, and I'm going to brush down the tapered areas because y'all saw your girl looking a little dusty rusty. And I'm going to brush those down. You guys, I have not tapered up my hair in a week, so it is kind of growing out. I haven't quite figured out if I'm going to continue to let it grow out or if I'm going to clean it up. I'll think about that later. Anyway, you guys, these are the results. It ain't all that, but she enough for me. So this is what she is looking like. I really like the way that it turned out. I must say this perm rock set was a success. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Smooches.